Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Subject Social, Grade 6, Unit 4, Geography, Lesson 4, Discovering the Universe, page number 91. Today we will discuss about the scientists who discover tools that help in discovering more about our universe. So first of all, we will discuss about what is or define constellation. Number two, telescope, and name different scientists and identify their accomplishments. So let's start. Constellation. The universe is full of gaseous masses named constellations. What is it? These are the groups of stars. You can see here these the groups of stars, but you can see here with noun pattern. They arrange themselves in a specific or noun pattern. Billions of constellations are present. Telescope, an instrument used to make distant objects appear nearer. So this telescope, advanced one, you can see here what it the uses. We can use it to see the things that far away from us. Has two lenses. In this, basically the structure of this one is composed on two lenses working at same time. You can see here this the first lens and this is the second one. So they work together and they combine their magnification same times, and we can observe or see the things that are far away from us. Who was the first to invent the telescope? The first scientist, Hans Lippershey of Holland, was the first to sketch. Hans, the first person or scientist, he designed or sketch a picture of a telescope and assemble its part. Now, second scientist, Galileo of Italian origin, was the second person who worked and developed the idea of the telescope in 1609. After him, he was the first to make a real telescope. Galileo is responsible for many scientific theories, such as that in which Earth revolves around the sun. He is the person who first tells us about the revolving of sun around the Earth, and you can say that the Earth revolves around the sun. Third scientist, Newton, was the third person who also developed the idea of a telescope in 1704. He replaced the lens used before with a curved mirror. Another invention: how is a rocket different from an airplane? Rocket, huge spacecraft with a huge engine, can move if there is no air. So this is the main difference between rocket and airplane. Airplane, huge craft with a huge engine, can't move if there is no air. So this is the big difference between rocket and airplane. Rocket. The first rocket ever launched was built by an American professor by Goddard, year 1926. Homework, page number 94, exercise number 1. Thanks.